Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're diving into a truly fascinating and frankly radical shift in how we think about our health and safety nets. Most Americans live with a pretty dangerous assumption. We just assume that if we get a headache, a fever, or an infection, the local pharmacy is always going to be there with fully stocked shelves holding exactly what we need. But as the source material points out, over the last few years, we've seen how quickly that certainty can completely vanish. The U.S. drug supply chain is actually one of the most fragile systems in the world, and when it breaks, you aren't just losing a convenience, you're losing your safety net. So today we're exploring the Medicinal Garden Kit and how it flips the script to help you find true autonomy, not in a commercial aisle, but right there in the dirt.
The creator of this kit operates on a really simple but incredibly powerful core philosophy. The pharmacy was the forest, the medicine was the meadow. I want you to just think about that for a second. For 99% of human history, healing didn't come from a highly controlled lab or a little plastic bottle. Our ancestors relied entirely on nature. They didn't have these complex global supply chains that could just snap under pressure. They had ancient, effective wisdom that was passed down through generations. But the source suggests we've essentially traded that historical wisdom for modern convenience.
And in making that trade, we really lost our autonomy, which brings us to a crucial question that challenges all our modern programming. What if your safety net actually grows in the dirt? We've been taught to look outward, usually to massive corporations, for our basic health security. But what if you could logically reevaluate that? What if you could just walk into your backyard and pick the exact herb you need to soothe a burn, stop a cold, or ease a migraine? The source argues there is a profound psychological peace of mind that comes from knowing you can take care of your own. When you aren't dependent on a corporation for your basic health, you operate from a place of power, not fear.
That brings us to Section 1, the fragile pharmacy and the problem with modern convenience.
To illustrate just how vulnerable we are, the source highlights a really striking statistic. 70% of Americans are currently reliant on prescription drugs. That is a massive scale of reliance on a highly precarious system. And the text points out an even deeper problem here too. Even when the shelves are completely full, this deep reliance means we are putting lab-made synthetic chemicals into our bodies that often cause more problems than they solve. The authors suggest we've just accepted this chemical dependence as normal, leaving a massive blind spot in our personal security.
So the source presents this stark contrast between two totally different healing paradigms. On one side, you have the modern approach. It's lab-made, synthetic, deeply tied to corporate dependence, but, highly convenient. On the other side is the historical approach, which is grounded in ancient wisdom, sourced right from the meadow, focused on personal autonomy, and built for long-term security. The premise here is that by heavily favoring that modern approach just for the sake of convenience, we've inadvertently surrendered our independence.
Let's look at how to get that back in Section 2, the 10-seed solution, and Dr. Nicole Apelian's mechanism. So, Dr. Nicole Apelian is a biologist, an herbalist, and a survivalist. You might actually recognize her from the television show Alone, where she famously spent 57 days surviving in the wild. The source emphasizes that she knows exactly what the human body needs to survive and thrive when you completely strip away the grocery stores and pharmacies. And she created the Medicinal Garden Kit to be a literal business in a box for your health. It emphasizes sheer biological efficiency. 10 seeds, 1,000 solutions. This isn't just a random collection of pretty flowers for your landscaping. It's a highly curated list of 10 seeds designed to cover the vast majority of a family's basic health and first aid needs.
Let's dive into exactly what makes up this backyard clinic. We're talking about incredibly functional plants here. You've got Yarrow, which is included for its historical ability to stop bleeding and fight infections. Then there's Calendula for skin healing. You have Echinacea, which we all kind of know as a natural immune powerhouse. But then you get into things you might not expect, like marshmallow. And no, definitely not the campfire kind. The marshmallow plant is described as a super potent remedy for digestive issues and sore throats. Finally, there's mullein, often called the lungs of the garden, which has been used for centuries to clear respiratory tracts. These 10 specific seeds are theoretically designed to turn a small patch of your yard into a high-functioning medical clinic.
But what if you have no idea what you're doing? That brings us to Section 3, from seed to solve, bridging the knowledge gap.
The number one question people ask is, I have a black thumb. I don't know how to garden, and I definitely don't know how to make medicine. Is this going to be too hard? Well, the creator anticipated that exact hurdle. The brilliance of this kit is that Dr. Nicole doesn't just give you the seeds, she includes the Medicinal Garden Guide. The source defines this as a physical, step-by-step manual that explains exactly how to plant, harvest, and turn those raw plants into usable tinctures, salves, poultices, and teas. And the best part?
It's written for the absolute novice. Even if you've never kept a simple houseplant alive, this guide is designed to completely remove the intimidation factor.
The guidebook sets up this really simple remedy pipeline. It breaks everything down into 3 autonomous steps. Step 1, you plant the curated seeds using their straightforward instructions. Step 2, you harvest the herbs once they're fully grown. And Step 3, you follow a simple recipe to create the remedy. It actually shows you how to make things like a homemade pain-killing salve from your own plants that can literally rival over-the-counter creams. By laying it out this way, the source argues the guide takes all the mystery out of herbalism and puts the power of health management directly back into your hands.
Now for the final piece of the puzzle. Section 4, the Resilience Guarantee, and the final close. How is this whole package actually positioned? The source text makes it clear that this isn't just a gardening product. It is a robust insurance policy. It's a proactive way to ensure that no matter what happens in the world, you have the resilient means to keep your family healthy. And to back that up, the source places a huge emphasis on the number 365. Dr. Apelian backs this kit with a 365-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Because she's a scientist at heart, she wants users to actually test the results in the real world. You get a full year to plant the seeds, grow the garden, and use the remedies completely risk-free. If you don't feel more secure and self-reliant after that year, you get a full refund. Which leaves us with this final, lingering question to think about. Will you be ready for the next supply chain crisis? Today, in this explainer, we've explored the source's fascinating alternative to our fragile modern systems. If you're curious to see exactly how these 10 plants work, or want to read stories from thousands of Americans who have transformed their backyards into healing sanctuaries, you can check out Dr. Nicole's official site through the link in the description or pinned comment below. It's all about making that mental shift from being dependent to becoming incredibly self-reliant. Don't wait for the next crisis to wish you had a backup plan. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep building resilience in your own life.